In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can restrict an account on Threads, okay? It's very straightforward and simple. So open up the Threads app, and if, for an example, this account right here at the top that said Japan, okay? So for an example, if I don't want to have them access my certain stuff on Threads, like my profile and that, and I want to restrict them similar to how you restrict someone on Instagram and Messenger. Okay, so all you have to do to restrict that account is to tap on their username to visit their profile. Okay, then you'll notice a circle with 3 dots in the middle on the far top right hand corner. Tap on that, and now you can see it says mute and then restrict. Okay, so just tap on restrict, and now that account has been restricted. If I tap on those 3 dots again, it says unrestrict. So you can unrestrict the account by going to their profile and hitting unrestrict, and that's it. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.